There's my view. Well, today I'll finally be showing off those custom taillights. Been waiting a while for them. I originally started the process a long time ago of contacting the guy, telling him what I was thinking, sending payments, setting up a date to go over the idea, sending the taillights off to Japan, kind of a lot. But it all started when I got my JDM taillights for the car and I had my stock ones laying around. I started trying to think of, I want to do something cool and custom. It might have been around that time on YouTube, a fellow G35 enthusiast that I follow, Giovanni, the G35 fan, she keeps barking. He had done some real cool custom taillights, and he did something a little different that I don't think I've seen someone else do, was putting a halo ring around the reverse light. Normally people just do it on the normal brake light. So I was like, yo, that's dope. That's real cool. Keeping it fresh, keeping it unique. So originally when I set my taillights off, I was gonna do something cool, something unique, but nothing that crazy. But when I saw that, I was like, oh shit, I need to kind of go a little above, one step more, and do something really crazy and out there. And well, this is what I did, and I'll probably get a lot of hate. Surprisingly, uploading it to Facebook and a couple of the groups I'm in, like 98% of people love it, which I was surprised. I thought a lot more people were gonna hate it, but here they are. Oh, and real quick, I will link Giovanni's YouTube channel in the description, so you can check him out. He's doing some real cool stuff on his sedan, and you guys should definitely watch him. I'm pretty sure most of my subscribers already do watch him, but if you don't, link below. So guys, let me know what you think. Personally, I absolutely love them. They're a little darker shade than the stock taillights. For instance, I have JDM ones over here, and even the JDM ones were a little darker red than the stock ones, so I love them. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.
Didn't even get to bronze.